Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, Shri Matre Namaha. Welcome to Veda Janani. Devi Mahatmyam, Chapter 11, Ekadashodhyayah, Devi Stutihi, Adyata Devata, Devi Bhuvaneshwari. Devi Stuti is also called as Narayani Stuti. Rishi Medhas explains about the Devi Stuti chanted by all Devatas in front of Devi Chandika Parameshwari. This Narayani Stuti is very auspicious and it fulfills all wishes of devotees, Sarva Kama Prada. The Narayana Stuti is also called as Katyayani Stuti. Dhyanam Om Bala Ravidyuti Mindu Kiritan Tungakucham Nayanatraya Yuktam Smeramukim Varadankushapasha Bhitikaram Prapaje Bhuvaneshim. Amma Bhuvaneshwari Devi, you are shining like the reflections of early morning sun's rays. You wear the crescent moon in your kritam, having prominent breasts. Holding in your hands are Ankusham Pasham, as well as the mudras which grants your children boons and make them fearless. Devi, you are the one who rules the world and thus called as Bhuvaneshim. Amma Devi, with your Trinetras and one who is the sovereign of the earth, I meditate on you, Bhuvaneshwari Devi. Om Rishiruvacha. Rishi Medhas tells about the hymns given by Devas. Devya hate tatra mahasurendre sendra sura vakhni purogamastam katyayanim tushtu urishtalabhat vikasi vaktrabja vikasi dashaha. The leaders of Daityas, the Asuras, Shumbha and Nishubha, were killed by Devi Katyayani, who is Shri Chandika Devi. Devya hate tatra mahasurendre. They lost their battles. Now all Devas headed by their king Indra, preceded by Agni Deva, Suravahni Purogamastam, started praising on Chandika Devi. She is the one who knew that Devas wanted and she fulfilled their wishes. They all had a smiling face which was looking like a fully blossomed lotus, Vikasi Vaktrabja. Devi Prapannarti Hare Prasida, Prasida Matar Jagato Kilasya, Prasida Vishweshwari Pahi Vishwam, Vamishwari Devi Characharasya. Amma Devi, you are the one who removes all the sorrows and sufferings. I surrender to you wholly. Please be gracious to me and bestow your grace on me. Mother of the entire universe, hey Devi, you are the supreme ruler of what is moving and unmoving. Vishweshwari, who rules the Vishwam, the entire universe, please be gracious on me and protect the world. Adharabhuta jagatastvameka mahiswarupena yatastitasi apam swarupastitaya tvayaitattabhyayate kritsna malangya virye. Devi, your prowess, your valor, your bravery cannot be understood or realized by anyone. Kritsna malangya virye. You are present in the form of earth, Maheswarupena, and Devi, you are the unique foundation of the universe. Adhara Bhuta Jagatastvameka. By being present in the form of water, the world is satisfied by you. You are the Adharam for everything in this universe, Amma. Tvam Vaishnavi Shaktirananta Virya Vishwasya Bijam Paramasi Maya Sammohitam Devi Samastametat Tvam Vai Prasanna Bhuvimukti Hetuhu. Devi, you are the Shakti of Vishnu, who has enormous valor, Ananta Virya, and called as Vaishnavi Shakti. You are the Bijam, the seed, who is the reason for this universe. Vishwasya Bijam. to came into being. Amma Devi, you make everyone and everything to totally drown into the Maya, Sammohitam, who is called as Maya Shakti. And above everything, you are the reason who gives liberation, the Mukti, to all. Mukti Hetu. Vidya samastas devi bhedas striyas samastas sakala jagatsu tvayikaya puritam ambayaitat kate sutistavya paraparoktihi. Amma, you are in the form of all women in the world. Striyas samasta sakala jagatsu. This world is filled by you in the form of mother. Tvaya eka ya puritam ambayaitat. All this universe is filled by you alone. How can I praise you? And you are beyond the praises and beyond the descriptions. Sarvabhuta yada devi swargamukti pradayini tvam suta sutaye kava bhavantu paramoktayah. Since Devi is everything and she is praised as the grantor of enjoyment and liberation, what other supreme words can be used to glorify you, Devi? Sarvasya buddhi rupena janasya hridi sanstite swargapavargate Devi Narayani namostute. You are the instinctive knowledge in every living being. You grant the Swarga and Mukti to all beings. Amma Devi Narayani, my namaskarams to you. Kalakashtadi rupena parinama pradayini Vishwasyo paratau shakte Narayani namostute. Devi Narayani, time is just a part of you. You will lead to the evolution and destruction of this universe. Vishwasya parinama uparatau pradayini. Namaskarams to you, Devi. Sarva Mangala Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadhike Sharanye Trayambake Gauri Narayani Namostute. Devi, Sarva Mangala. What is Sarva Mangala? Sarva Mangala are Pashu, Agni, Ghee, Sun, Shuvashini Stri, King, and Brahmagyani. You are all these Sarva Mangala, Devi. Sarva Mangala, out of all Mangala, you are the highest form of Mangala, the auspicious Mangalye. Amma Devi, Shiva's Patni, you are the only way for me to attain whatever I desire. Shive Sarvartha Sadhike. I surrender to you, Devi. You are the one who controls the Kala, the time, and the one who has 3 eyes. Amma, the most beautiful Devi, Gauri, my namaskarams to you. Srishti Sthiti Vinashanam Shakti Bhute Sanatani Gunashraye Gunamaye Narayani Namostute. Devi Katyayani, you are eternal and the true power behind creation, maintenance, and dissolution. You are the form of all the gunas, sattva, rajas, and tamas, and you are abode of the gunas. Namaskarams to you, Devi. Sharanagata Dirnartha Paritrana Parayane Sarvasyarthi Hare Devi Narayani Namostute. Amma Devi Narayani, you dedicated yourself to remove the sufferings and heart burdens and take care of those who surrender to you. Sharanagata Dirnartha Paritrana Parayane. You remove all sufferings from this world. Sarvasya Hare. Our namaskarams to you, Devi. Hamsayukta Vimanaste Brahmani Rupadharini Kaushambhak Sharike Devi Narayani Namostute. Devi Narayani, you came in your Vahana, which was tied to swans. You took the form of Brahma's Shakti as a Brahmani. You sprinkled water energized by the Bija mantras, Aksharike, with Dharba grass, Kaushambha. Our namaskarams to you, Devi. Trishula Chandra Hidhare Mahavrishabhavahini Maheshwari Swarupena Narayani Namostute. Amma Devi Narayani, your trident in your hand, also adorning crescent moon and riding on the great bull Mahavrishabha Vahana. You took the form as Maheshwari, who is the Shakti of Maheshwara. My namaskarams to you, Devi. Mayura Kukuta Vrite Mahashakti Dharenage, Kaumari Rupa Samsane Narayani Namosute. Devi Katyayani, you hold a very powerful shula in your hands. You are surrounded by peacocks and roosters. You, who is the sinless Devi, took form of Skanda's Shakti as Kaumari Shakti. Amma Kaumari Devi, my namaskarams to you. Shangachakra Gadasharanga Grihita Paramayudhe Prasida Vaishnavi Rupe Narayani Namostute. Devi Katyayani, you hold conch, Shankar, which is called as Panchajanya, and your chakra called Sudarshana, and your Gada called as Kaumodaki, and your bow called as Sarjanyam. And you took the form as Vaishnavi, who is the Shakti of Mahavishnu. My namaskarams to you, Devi. Grihitogra Mahachakre Damshto Dhruta Vasundhare Varaha Rupini Shive Narayani Namostute. Devi, you hold the great chakra and you lifted the earth with your frontal teeth and took the form of Lord Vishnu's third avatara, the Shakti Rupa, and called as Sri Varahi Devi, and one who is very, very auspicious. My namaskarams to you, Devi. Nrisimha Rupeno Grena Hantum Daityan Kritodhyame Trailokya Trana Sahite Narayani Namostute. Amma Katyayani, you who took the form of Sri Mahavishnu's avataram Lakshmi Nrisimha Swami, Shakti as fierceful Narasimhi Devi, who killed the Asuras in the battle, and you who is always ready to protect the three world. Amma Narasimhi, my namaskarams to you. Kiritini Mahavajre Sahasranayano Vritta Prana Hareshaindri Narayani Namostute. Devi Aindri, who is Devendra's Shakti, the one who wears crown which is studded with most valuable diamond. She has shining 1,000 eyes and killed Ashura called Vrittasura. My namaskarams to you, Devi. Shivaduti Swarupena Hatha Dhaitya Mahabale Ghorarupe Maharave Narayani Namostute. Shivaduti Devi came from the body of Kaushiki Devi. You are the one with very great strength. You kill the Asuras with your dreadful roar and have very fearful Rupam. My namaskarams to you, Devi. Damshtra Karala Vadane Shiromala Vibhushane Chamunde Munda Mathane Narayani Namostute. Amma Chamunda Devi. You have a fierce face with sharp teeth, wearing a garland made of skulls. You killed Chanda Munda and hence known as Chamunda or Kali. My namaskarams to you, Narayani. Lakshmi Lajje Mahavidhe Shraddhe Pushtistvade Dhruve Maharatri Mahamaye Narayani Namostute. Amma Devi Lakshmi, you are the one who is the giver of fortune. You are Mahavidya who gives Atma Jnanam. You are Shraddhe, the faith. You are Pushti, the nourishment. You are the darkness of Pralaya, Kala Maharatri. And you are the Mahamaya who push even Maharishis into Maya. My namaskarams to you, Narayani Devi. Medhe Saraswati Vare Bhuti Babhravi Tamasi Niyatetvam Pasi Deshe Narayani Namostute. Amma Devi Narayani, you are full of wisdom, preserves knowledge in form of Saraswati. You are giver of boons, Vare, in form of Mother Lakshmi, Bhuti, prosperity, and you are consort of Rudra, Vabhravi, wife of Vabhru, in form of Durga, Tamasi. You control all actions and their results. Niyate Tvam. Please be pleased. My namaskarams to you, Devi. Sarvaswarupe Sarveshe Sarvashakti Samanvite भयेभ्यस्त्राहिनो देवी दुर्गे देवी नमोस्तुते. Amma Parashakti Devi Durge, you are the form of entire universe. You are absolute ruler. Maharagni, you are the almighty personification of matrikas like Brahmi, Maheshwari, Kaumari, etc. Please save us from all our fears, all evils and dangers. Please protect us from all the ills of this world. My namaskarams, Devi. Etatte vadanam saumyam lochanatra bhushitam pathunas sarva bhutebhyak katyayani namostute. Amma Katyayani Devi, let your soft and beautiful face adorned with 3 eyes protect us from all difficulties and dangers. My namaskarams to you, Devi. ज्वालाकराळमद्युग्रमशेषासुरसूदनं त्रिशूलं पातु नो भीतेर् भद्रकाली नमोस्तुते. Amma Bhadrakali Devi, let your horrifying and shiny trident, the Trishula, surrounded by flames, which has destroyed countless demons, Ashesha, Asura, Sudana, shall protect us from all fears and difficulties. My namaskarams to you, Devi. हिनस्ति दैत्य तेजांसी स्वनेना पूर्यया जगत सा घंटा पातनो देवी पापेभ्यो न सुतानिव. Devi, let that great bell sound of yours, which fills all the 3 worlds, destroy the power of Asuras and protect us from our sins. How, like parents protect their children. Just the sound of your bell, Devi, dispels evil spirit around. Asurashrikvasa pankachachitaste karojvalaha shubhaya kadgo bhavatu chandike tvam nathavayam. Hey Chandike, let the shining sword in your hands, which is soaked in Asura's blood and flesh, do good to us and provide all beneficiary things for us. My namaskarams to you, Devi. Rogana seshan apahamsi tushta, dushtatu kaman sakalana bhishtan, tvamashritanam na vipanna ranam, tvamashritahya shayatam prayanti. Devi, when you are pleased, you destroy all diseases. But when you are angry, you destroy all longed for desires. There are no applications to humans who have taken refuge in you. Those who have resorted to you become a refuge to others. Etat kritam yat kathanam tvayadya dharmadvisham devi mahasuranam rupair bahudatma murtim kritvambiketat prakaroti kanyam. Devi Jagannatha, in today's battle, you transformed into 7 forms, 7 rupas, Shapta Matrikas like Kali, Brahmi, etc., and took several forms like Shivaduti Devi and killed great Asuras who are against Dharma. Who else can do something like this magnificent? Vidyasu Shastreshu Viveka Deepesh Vadyeshu Vakyeshu च कात्वधन्या ममत्व गर्तेति महान्धकारे vibhramayate tatadhiva vishvam. Devi, even with existence of great knowledge of mantras, jnanam being the light of Vedas and Upanishads, you immerse the whole prapancham in the dark, ignorant, deep pit of egoism and confusion. Amma Devi, who else except you could do it? Please protect us. Rakshamsi yatrogra vishascha naga yatra rayo dasyu balani yatra davanalo yatra tatabdhi madhye tatra stita tvam paripasi vishvam. When Rakshasas and serpents with fierce poisons and where enemies and robbers are there, where forest fire is there, or in the middle of the sea also, there you are present and you protect the world, Devi. Vishveshwari tvam paripasi vishvam, Vishwatmika dharayasiti vishvam, Vishvesha vandya bhavati bhavanti, Vishwashrayaye Tvayi bhakti namraha. Amma Vishweshwari, you protect the universe. As the soul of everything, you uphold the world. You are praised by the lords of the universe like Brahma, Vishnu, and Rudra. Those bowing down to you with bhakti becomes refuge to all. Devi prasida paripalaya nori bhiter nityam yathasura vadhadadunaiva sadhyaha. Papani sarva jagatam prashamanna yashu utpata paka janitamscha mahopasargan. Devi, please be gracious, always protect us from the dangers of enemies. In the same way, you have just now slain the Asuras instantaneously. May you quickly bring about the elimination of the sins of all the worlds and also of great calamities. Pranatanam prasidatvam Devi Vishwartiharini Trailokya Medde Lokanam Varadha Bhava. Devi, please be gracious towards the ones who always do namaskarams to you. Amma, Hey remover of the world's sufferings, you are worshipped by all from all the three worlds. May you be the boon giver of this world. Devya Uvacha. Now Devi speaks. Varadaham suragana varam yan manach sechatah tam vrunudhvam prayachami jagatam upakarakam. Hey Devaganas, I am the one who is the granter of boons. Whatever your heart likes, ask me. Anything which does good to this prapancham, I will accept and give right away. Deva Uchuhu. Sarvabadha Prashamanam Trailokyasya Akhileshwari Emaveva Tvaya Karyam Asmadvairi Vinashanam. Amma Akhileshwari, what is to be achieved by you is the elimination of all obstacles of the three worlds, as well as the destruction of our enemies, both inner enemy, the ego, and the outer enemies. And now, Devi answers Devas. Devya Uvacha. Vaivasvatentare prapte ashtavinshatiमे yuge Shumbho Nishumbhaschaivaanya Utpatsyate Mahasurav. When the Vaivasvata Manvantara arrives in the 28th Yuga, the two mighty Asuras, Shumbha and Nishumbha, will be born again. Thereafter, I will be born in Yashodha's womb to Nandagopa house in Gokulam. I shall live in Vindhya mountains and kill those Asuras. And she is the goddess who slipped from Kamsa's hands and appeared in the sky with 8 arms, completely equipped with weapons, and she rides on a tiger. And she continues, Punarapyati raudrena rupena prithvitale avatirya hanishyami vaiprachittam sudhanavan bhakshayantyascha tanugran vaiprachittan mahasuran rakta danta bhavishyanti dadimi kusumopamaha. And again, I will come down to earth with a terrible form, and I will slay the Dhanavas, descendants of Vaiprachitta. Eating those terrible Rakshasas, who are the sons of Vaiprachitta, my teeth would become red like pomegranate flowers. Dadimi kusumopamaha. Due to this, the Devatas in the heaven and the human beings on the earth will always pray to me and call me as Rakta Dantika. And thereafter, when there is no rain and no water for 100 years, I would be prayed by the sages, and I will be born as Ayonija, and I will be called as Ayonija, which means who is born not from a uterus of a mother. Munibhis samsutha bhumau sambhavishyamya Yonija. After that, I will guard the sages with my 100 eyes, and the humans will call me as Shatakshi and pray and sing my Mahima and Leelas. I would protect the world with rain and save all the living beings by providing life-saving crops from my body. Then I will be known as Shakambari, or the plant carrier, and there also I will slay the mighty Ashura called Durgama. Tatraiva cha vadishyami Durgamakyam Mahasuram Durga Devi iti Vikyatam Tanme Nama Bhavishyati. Because of killing the Ashura Durgama, Devas and the Bhulokavashis will call me as Durga Devi and celebrate me. Again, I will come in a frightful, dreadful form from Himalayas to save the rishis and kill the Rakshasas and eat them. Then all the rishis will praise me with their bodies bent. Tatama munaya sarve stoshiyantya namramurtayah. Bhima Deviti Vikyatam Tamme Nama Bhavishyati Yatarunakyasत्रैलोक्ये Mahabadam Karishyati Tadaham Brahmaram Rupan Kritva Sankhyeya Shatpadam. From that incident, I will be called as Bhima Devi, one who is fearful, and they will celebrate me. When Ashura called Aruna is born, and he will give trouble to all the three worlds. At that time, I will take the rupam of a big honeybee with 6 legs. Trailokyasya hitartaya vadhishyami mahasuram brahmariti cha mam lokastatastosyanti sarvatah. Ittam yada yada badha danavota bhavishyati tada dada vadiryaham karishyami samkshayam. In the rupam of a big honeybee, I will save the 3 worlds by killing the Maha Ashura. Then the people in the 3 worlds would call me Brahmari Devi and celebrate me. We will look at a very short story how Brahmari Devi was called as Brahmarambika, who is in Sri Sailam. A powerful demon, Arunasura, received a boon from Lord Brahma that made him invincible against any 2 or 4-legged creature. Believing himself immortal, he conquered the heavens and began harassing the gods and the sages. When the gods sought protection, the supreme goddess Adishakti incarnated herself as Brahmari Devi. She then created an innumerable swarm of 6-legged bees, hornets, and wasps from her body. The massive swarm attacked, and ultimately the demon and his army were killed instantly. Following her victory, the goddess is revered as Brahmarambika or Brahmaramba, the mother of bees, at the instance. She is then called as the Brahmaramba Devi in Sri Mallikarjuna temple in Sri Shailam, Andhra Pradesh, which is considered as the most important Shaktipeetham in 18 Shaktipeethas. Now coming back to Devi Mahatmyam, she says, Ittam yada yada badha danavota bhavishyati tada tada vatiryaham karishyamyari samkshayam. Like this, whenever problem arises from Asuras, I would take an incarnation and destroy enemies. And with this, chapter 11 is completed. Iti Shri Markandeya Purane Savarnike Manvantare Devi Mahatmye Ekadashodhyayah. I request you to subscribe to Veda Janani and hit a like and share with your family and friends. I request you to subscribe to Veda Janani and hit a like and share with your family and friends. I request you to subscribe to Veda Janani and hit a like and share with your family and friends.